She said I'm hella fresh. She said she wanted tickets, see my Facebook status. She said she would uplisten. She said that she is talent. She shine while she glisten. She said that I'm a star, trying to reach me is a mission. All I gotta do is hit her.
That's the shop rattling, not the truck. Goddamn Colt. She's getting it. Yeah. We're under construction here. With a fourth order Bandpass. Can never go wrong with a fourth order, usually. Hey, so this thing is not ready for it to be shown. It's still dusty, it's in the shop. Still being worked on, it ain't finished. But I got my camera on and they're testing a little bit. Look at this. Some 4-aught, sky-high wire looking clean. Everything's quality over here, man. Heck, man, supplying the power. How big are these door speakers, man?
These are 10s. Sundown Vex 10s.
Sundown what 10s?
Vex 10s.
Vex 10s, yeah.
And we got Vex 8s in the rear.
What are these tweeters?
Those are the B2 compression horns.
That's a lot of speaker in the door, man. You pulled it off flawlessly. All you guys, man. Okay, I hate to put my knuckles on this, but goddamn, that's like concrete. Show it from underneath now. Looks stock. Actually, it doesn't look stock anymore. Now that I'm looking at it, yeah.
It's clean.
It still looks so clean that I couldn't tell what you did until I saw the grain.
Right.
Nice shit, man. Damn, what is that? 1 inch or thicker?
What is it? I think it's inch and a quarter. No, 2 things of 3/4. Oh yeah, so inch and a half.
Inch and a half birch on the roof. Of course, we got some Morrison bumping. Yeah. Some limitless batteries.
Limitless.
We got the new
Okay.
terminal cups. These are 15s, right?
No, 12s.
They're so big they look like 15s. I didn't want to be wrong and call them 12s if I was wrong, but they're awful big 12s. What are they?
Those are the Gately Relentless 12s.
Yeah. That is
those
hell.
are the V1s. V1. Yeah. So no mega surround on these ones. Just the regular.
This is just the beginning. Like I said, this shit's dusty. It's dirty. They probably didn't even want to show it off just yet, but you know how I am. I got the camera rolling at all times. You gotta watch what you say. You gotta watch what you do, man. They're good though. Of course, we got the Sundown Salt 12 making all this noise. way to knock the cobwebs off the ceiling.